Welcome aboard as we soar high above the Pearl of the Orient, a city of layered history, vibrant life, and stunning contrasts, Manila, Philippines. Flying over the sparkling waters of Manila Bay, famed for its fiery sunsets. Look down. You can see the curving shoreline of Roas Boulevard, a grand coastal avenue tracing the bay's edge, bustling with the ceaseless energy of a major port city. Now, let's turn inward, heading east. Beneath us emerges a monumental patch of green, Rizal Park, the vast tribute to the national hero, José Rizal, a vital lung in this dense urban heart. Adjacent to it, observe the heavy, fortress-like geometry of the Intramuros, the walled city. This is Old Manila. Banking over the historic stone ramparts, the centuries dissolve. We are looking down on the Spanish colonial past. But Manila is not just history. Let's head south, where the modern metropolis pierces the clouds. The scenery shifts dramatically. We fly over the Pasig River, the lifeblood artery winding through the urban sprawl, showing the dense residential and commercial tapestry of the city proper. Then, the sky opens up to a forest of glass and steel, the central business districts. First, the sleek, ordered high-rises of Makati City, an island of financial power, where reflective towers capture the tropical sun. Just beyond, the planned, contemporary landscape of Bonifacio Global City, BGC, characterized by innovative architecture, wide, grid streets, and modern skyscrapers like the soaring Grand Hyatt Manila. The contrast between these ultra-modern towers and the tightly packed neighborhood surrounding them is a powerful visual story of the Philippines' rapid development. Take a moment to absorb the vastness of Metro Manila. The urban spread seems infinite. Thank you for watching this Manila aerial tour. If you want to see more travel videos, please subscribe.